So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the credit score for you to a specific credit card that you have now. In order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now here, just simply go to this website that says creditkarma.com. Let's just wait for it to respond. Here you're gonna see a website will open, and in this top section, you're gonna find this option that says credit score, and here you're gonna see the details about that particular thing, and you can check the credit report as well. Just simply click over the free credit report. Once you go over there, it will ask you to sign in or create a profile. Just simply create a profile, and once you log in there with your card, it will tell you the credit score of your particular card and all the credit history as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.